Hi, it's Anne here. Okay, 1 month ago, I did a video about Microsoft Sticker Creator where I generate this sticker. And in that video, someone commented about this message. Okay, please make a tutorial on how to generate consistent characters and scenes. Now today, I have actually generated some of the images here using a prompt, and with the same prompt, I did input a different text inside. So I'm going to show you the next video how I did it. All right, thank you. Today, I'm going to create stickers with this feature sticker creator. I'm going to generate four different types of uh, action with the using the same prompt in order to generate a consistent images with different action of each stickers. So let's get started. Click generate. I'm not going to use any of this prompt because I have prepared each prompt that I want to use. So I'm going to copy and paste every of this prompt. I'm going to click generate now. Now this prompt is about a little boy, short black hair, large blue eyes, wearing a red hoodie, white collar string, blue jeans, red sneakers, happily munching on a melted dripping cheeseburger. 3D realistic high definition Disney Pixar style. So this is what I get. So I'm going to download these two images, and I'm going to generate a second time to get another two images so that I have some choice to pick up. Okay. Now I have already generated four stickers of this prompt. So now I'm going to paste the second prompt with different action. Now this prompt is about the same boy with the same dressing, sitting at a desk, reading a book and taking notes. Now, if you notice, he is not sitting at the desk. I think it's still okay. I'm going to download these two images. Now I'm going to pick the third prompt, so with different action. Now this prompt is about a boy, the same boy, wearing a headphone, happily dancing, clapping hands. So, but obviously, if you notice, this image is not wearing a red hoodie, but I think it's still fine. I'm going to download too. This is the final prompt. Now, this prompt is about the same boy excitedly jumping up, lifting both legs and hands. So, this is how it looks like. I'm going to download these two images. So that's about it. This is how I generate, I would say, sort of a consistent image of each sticker with different prompt of action. So I'm going to share this prompt link to you in the description below. All you need to do is to input the action text into this placeholder. For example, I'm going to type sleeping on a couch. Now remember you need to sign in. All right. So after you're typing in the text of action that you want, you just have to click generate. Now these are the two stickers that came out. So now what you can do, you can download either one, or you can copy, you can create design and edit image. All right, that's about it.